Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here from preciousnewstart.com, and in this video I kind of wanted to share my results of ConversioBot and sort of where I'm at so far since having used the platform and having actually installed the chatbots onto my website. Now, although I've had chatbot for I think a couple of weeks now, I didn't actually install any of the chatbots onto my site until yesterday. So what you're going to see is what I've received so far is just going to be through a day's results. Now, I kind of just wanted to quickly mention at the beginning is that I did have a comment from someone saying that, you know, ConversioBot only kind of really works if you've got traffic coming to your site. And obviously that's very true. Like, if you don't have a lot of traffic coming to your site, then you're probably not going to get that much engagement or that many, you know, or your results are not going to be as high as what you might see on the sales video and things like that. But obviously if you have a site that's quite compelling anyway, people are going to see the chatbot. So anyone that does visit your site is probably going to want to interact with your chatbot, and it's better that you've got an engaged following rather than just a high volume of traffic that aren't actually engaging in your site. So I just kind of wanted to address that particular point. But I'm just going to head over to my data and analytics, and I've got a few different sort of templates and drafts of current chatbots. So obviously this particular chatbot I haven't actually done anything with, so that's why there's no results here. So I'm just going to head over to one that I have actually used. Now I did actually put this chatbot onto my site yesterday. I currently have had 20 chats initiated, which has led to 20 interactions, and it's obviously 100% interaction rate. I've tried to track certain goals, and those goals are email signups, and so far I've got 3, so I've reached 15% of my goal interaction. And that's just kind of after, like I said, after a day of installing the chatbot to my site. I've managed to at least get 3. I think it's actually really only 2. I think I did one as a test, so it's really only 2 signups. But I think after a day, considering it's really easy to kind of just install it onto your website, I think that's quite a positive result. So you can also see how people have interacted with your chatbots. So here we can see we've got kind of an even rate between the desktop and mobile, so they're quite similar. You can also see, like I mentioned, the interaction rate and the goal rate. So you kind of get like a bit of an outline of your analytics and everything like that. So it's quite nice to see that, you know, this is actually giving me, you know, some results. So I'm feeling positive about ConversioBot. I'm obviously going to continue to kind of tweak and try and do what I can to increase my conversion rate. One thing I would like to see on ConversioBot is the opportunity to do A/B testing, so that you can actually see what your visitors are actually responding to the most. So yeah, so I kind of just wanted to give you a little bit of a breakdown of the results I've gotten so far. So if you have any questions, then be sure to put them in the comment section below. If you're interested in getting ConversioBot and you feel like it's something that might benefit you in your business, in your website, then I'll leave a link to that in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more videos just like this. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.